Hi. Hello. Today I was preparing a new recipe which everyone likes and easy to cook. Please watch complete video and comment below what you like to cook. Watch you need any recipe, cooking method I will try to post it into this channel. Thank you.